Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys the easiest way to get Google Play services as well as the Google Play Store running on the brand new Honor 9X Pro or the Mate 30 Pro. Out of the box, they don't come with Google Play services or the Google Play Store, and today, with a simple application, we should be able to get this thing running on for you guys very quickly. This is TK and this is XDA TV. So here we have both the Honor 9X Pro as well as the Mate 30 Pro. Now both of these devices right now are the Chinese variants of these devices, but out of the box, neither one of them comes with Google Play services or even the Google Play Store. Now in yesterday's video, I showed you guys that we already had the Google Play Store installed as well as the Amazon App Store and the app gallery that comes out of the box. Amazon App Store is very simple. You just go straight to Amazon's directly to their website using the browser that's built in. You can download the App Store, and as long as you have basically an Amazon account, you should be able to basically log in and download applications from it. But for the Google Play Store, it's actually a little bit of a slightly different of a process. What you need to do is download an application, and I'll give you guys a link to that in the description below. First and foremost, I do want to mention to you guys is that application is not a Huawei or an Honor provided application. This is a third-party application. And essentially what it's doing, it's installing the Google Play services in the background as well as the ability of installing the Google Play Store, because normal side loading doesn't actually work the same way it used to. Now to get the installation process done, what we need to do is basically use this application. So I'll go ahead and go into my file manager, and I already have it loaded in here. Essentially all you need to do is follow the link in the description below, download it from that website, and then of course activate it directly. We'll go ahead and click it. By default, it's going to go through the app gallery security measurement, which means it's going to try to scan it and make sure that this is a valid app. So very similar to the Google Play Protect that we normally see, and what essentially is just saying that this application did not come from the app gallery. You can either search an app gallery or install it. I'll just go ahead and say install. And then once it's installed, we should be able to just open it up. You notice that installation went pretty smoothly. We'll click OK. This is the main screen. It's going to ask us for basically media and other files to be able to install, and I'll go ahead and say install. And at this point, you'll notice right there, it does require have access or administrative access to your device. And here, there's a couple of things you need to be aware of. This is step 1 of 2. If you don't have a SIM card on your device, you do need to be logged in to your Huawei account. And what I mean by that is here, you need to basically have already logged in and validated your account on the device if you don't have a SIM card in there. If you want to circumvent that action, you can actually just have a SIM card inserted into the device. You'll notice this one does not have a SIM card. And then at that point, it will not ask you to log into your Huawei ID. You can go through the process, activate it, and then go through and hit the OK button. And this is basically, we'll go ahead and say no. This is basically where it's installing all the Google Play services, the background services, as well as the Google Play Store. And of course, allowing us to be able to log into the Google Play Store once it's done. At the end, when you're done with this entire process, the best thing to do is just go ahead and uninstall this application. So we'll go ahead and start it here. We'll say OK. And then we're going to go ahead and minimize it here. But on your device, once you're done, you just need to get into the security tab. And under security, what you need to go is under more settings and then go to device administrators. Now that's one thing you want to be aware of. Now once we installed it, we noticed that the device administrator is active for this service, because if you don't deactivate it, you won't be able to uninstall it, and you'll just say deactivate. Once it's deactivated, you should be able to basically go into the App Store and then uninstall the application, and then of course at that point load your information. So as I recommend this being done as the first thing you do when you first take the device out of the box before you start loading any of your personal data on there. So the main thing I would say is just get the services installed, get everything set up correctly, and then uninstall it, and then you should be pretty much set. Google Play services or the Google Store, Play Store will work. You can download all the applications that you want. You can load any other, obviously, app store that you'd like, but essentially for the Play Store, this is the easiest way. So the process that I showed you today will work on both the Honor 9X, 9X Pro, the Mate 30, Mate 30 Pro, and the Mate 30 Porsche design, as all of the devices I just shared with you guys are basically going to ship without Google Play services, specifically the Chinese version of this as far as the 9X and the 9X Pro. Once this is released globally, I'm not sure if that's going to basically change, but in the current state of all of the devices I just mentioned, you do need to have some kind of a process to be able to load Google Play services. The application I shared with you guys today is not an Honor or a Huawei application. This is a third-party application. So my recommendation is to do this on a fresh device out of the box before you load any personal data. Get the Google Play Store activated, don't log into it, uninstall the application by taking away the administrative privileges as I showed you, and of course then log into your Google Play Store. And at that point, I would feel like it's the best situation because you're getting the benefit of having the Google Play Store installed without necessarily having that third-party app sitting there with administrative access in the background. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? This is, in my opinion, the easiest way and the best way I was able to find without having to basically go in there and getting root and unlocking the bootloader and all of these things that, from what I understand, either may or may not happen, and it's sounding like it's probably not going to happen. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of either both the 9X, 9X Pro, the Mate 30, the Mate 30 Pro, or even the Mate 30 Porsche design. I'll see you guys in the next video.